Hey, I'm Vadim, engineering manager of the observability product here at LaunchDarkly. Today, we're continuing our exploration of observability features that help teams not only find and fix problems faster, but also understand how users actually experience their releases. In a world where we move quickly and ship often, code is only half the story. The other half is how real users interact with what we build. What they click, where they drop off, and how that changes when new features roll out. That's where heat maps come in. They help product and engineering teams visualize user behavior in real time, so you can validate changes, spot friction, and measure impact without spinning up new analytics tooling. If you've ever released a new feature and wondered, are people actually using this? This one's for you. With heat maps, you can see exactly what parts of the product users are interacting with. At a glance here, we have a dashboard with 3 different heat maps, showing different session replay frames and the associated user clicks in each one. We can see these orange circles indicating where most of the activity happens on the different screens of our app. Let's dig into one to take a closer look. I'm going to expand one of my heat maps here, and I'm presented with a frame from my session replay with a lot of activity near the top, as well as a lot of activity on the left nav. We can actually see the intensity of the circle change depending on the number of users and the number of clicks that occurred in the particular time window that we have picked. If I'm interested in digging deeper, I can click View Sessions. I can see the associated sessions associated with these clicks so that I can watch individual session replays associated with the user interaction. I also have a list view at the bottom where I can see the different nav elements, the HTML DOM elements, where folks clicked, and I can use this to go through all of the different clicks that occurred on this particular session replay, including ones that might not be visible in the current view. It's interesting to know that coming from the logs page, a lot of our end users end up going to traces next. It's also interesting to see that a lot of folks interact with the nav bar and specifically the time element picker on the top right corner, but maybe not so much with the individual logs. All of this can help inform where I'm investing my time as an engineer or an engineering manager or a product manager working on the parts of the product that are actually relevant for my end users. With guarded releases, we make risk visible. With heat maps, we make user experience visible. Now you can connect performance, behavior, and design all from the same platform. No blind spots, no extra tools, just clear, actionable insights into how your users really engage. Happy shipping!